So this is a better view of the seat. Got the stitching. I said we are not fully done. I still have washers to put on. I got some chrome levers like these. I'm getting the wrist replaced. Windshield is right here. These things won't stay at the moment just because these are too small. I need to get the rubber ones. The rubber ones is gonna do it. But we got it going though, man. I promise y'all, we are sliding. So let's go to my mom's. I gotta get me a helmet. Then I'm gonna pull back up here and we're gonna go for a ride and a wash on this joint, man. So stay tuned. We slide, we working, and we damn sure getting it in, man. So y'all see what's going on, big dog. Slide, take a quick ride around the facility in here before I go and do everything, just so I can make sure it's good. So stay tuned. So everything worked out smooth. I just want a quick little go around real fast. Worked out smooth. Only thing I'm feeling is like it's a little bit tight. So I gotta go over these brakes. Make sure it's pumping through and whatnot. But this thing is rolling good and feeling good, so we slide. So I have to compress the brakes and space them out. And it will feel like it's right, but you gotta really take off this cover and then make sure this is not holding it up. That was stopping it from trying to spread out. So now that side is good. Now when we roll, there won't be no problems of it feeling tight. But it be little stuff like that you gotta just go over and double check so we can get back on the road. So I have to just do that. I just rolled it back and forth inside, so I know we good now. So it's game time, y'all. Y'all know what's going on. About to go to the crib, get the helmet, or I'm going to my dad, go get my dad's helmet. I'm not driving all the way out there to go get mine. My dad's helmet, then I'm gonna slide back. So stay tuned for this footage, big dog. Got the helmet. I'm not gonna lie, I had to get my pops peanut. I ain't never rolled with a peanut, but it's about to do the job today, man. So stay tuned, let's get it and let's ride. Hey, see how big this is? I like a damn test dummy. But yeah, we about to slide, man. Get this bike up out of here and go clean it up one time. Like I said, we got it going, starting. Everything is good. We fixed the front brakes. There we go, we got that start up. Yes, sir, baby boy. We're about to get it in, big dog. Got the I-9, 49 by 9, baby. I don't know what's up with this light, but when I cut the blinker on, it works. So we got to get another daylight, but we got it going, man. This thing is coming together. Go get this car washed in. Stay tuned for tomorrow, man. You already know what's going on. That bad boy is gonna be up out of here. We're going for a test ride on the next video with this bike, so stay tuned. We slide, getting it in, man. This thing looking good, baby. This thing is looking good. We almost there, man. We got the seat and the upholstery and the wraparound in the paint. And we're gonna be coming together fully complete with that music slapping. But let's slide. Finally made it. How you doing? Got this thing looking good. Super dirty. About to wash it. But got this thing out in traffic. joint up. I'm gonna show y'all all the dirt. Dirt, dust, dirt is everywhere. Everywhere, dog. So, about to wash this joint up, man. Right, trying to get all these fingerprints off, especially from all about this motor. What up, Mitch? Oh yeah, we got this thing coming, man. Thing is looking good. About to rinse this joint off. You already know we're gonna wax this chrome, make it do what it do. Up, but it's not shining how I want. It's looking good, but it ain't shining. So not it good though. I could literally leave it, but I want to wax it. Add that wax one time. So I have it buttered up, looking like some next level. About to get to it. Finally just finished waxing the whole bike. That black and the chrome is going crazy all together. We're not fully done, like I said. Still a couple of things I'm gonna go and do once I complete the music, but I really wanted y'all to see what we putting together. This thing is looking good. Good interior shaft. Like how the seat came out though. Got that black carbon fiber. Got that good red diamond stitch. Got that good back rest. So we got that seat back, man. This thing looks so good. We got the black carbon fiber like I asked. I like the carbon fiber than the regular black leather and make it look basic. So I did that with the red diamond stitch on the top, not the sides, just to make it stand out, give it a different look than the average seat. And then you guys know the bike is blacked out with the red outlines, like the red is the pop color. So it's all gonna make sense.